All right, guys, we're going through a video tour of 2468 South Phillips Avenue. It's Fresno, California, 93727. And this is a home built in 1996. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. And we're going to tour this home. You can take a look at it. So it's got low maintenance tile flooring, nice large open concept living room. Little breakfast bar right here. If you notice, it's got really high ceilings, a little higher than normal. Your living room here. You got a covered patio, which we'll go visit here shortly. This home does include all the appliances: refrigerator, washer and dryer, a lot of natural lighting, tiled counters, and again, got that open concept feel. Very bright, open breakfast nook here. This is the living room area here for you to configure as you like. That right there is the garage door, which we'll take a quick glance in. The garage has been converted. There is AC in here, air conditioning. Now that partition can be removed. It's just a covering of the garage door. It was, I believe, a daycare at some point. Actually go in here. Pretty large. It's a typical 2-car garage. And let's go into the bedrooms. So here we have a coat closet. Have your washer dryer set up here in the laundry area. And bedroom number 1. And again, it's got low maintenance tiled floors, which is great if you have allergies, or just easier to maintain, in my opinion. We got the hall here. Bedroom number 2. And let's check out the hall bath here. It's got they updated this tub and shower combo. It's not the original. And a linen closet and cabinets here. And then let's go over to the main bedroom. This is your primary bedroom. And you have a slider that goes to the backyard. And Actually, this is a shower stall. So no bathtub in this one. A lot of storage space in here. I always like to look under here. It's clean, no damage. And then a good size walk-in closet. All right, and let's go to the backyard. I got some on my shoe. And here we are in the backyard. Here we got a nice, large covered patio. So we got water there, electrical outlets, and you have gas here. So if you want to hook up a gas barbecue for your outdoor kitchen, certainly can. This sits on about a 10,000 square foot lot, which is larger than your standard lots in this area. The average in here is about 8,500. Got some planter boxes here if you like to garden. This home has a tile roof, which are about 40 to 50-year roofs. Nice concrete walkway here. Our air conditioning unit, it is a little newer, not the original. There's some more planter boxes. Looks like a little birdhouse there. So you got two separations of the yards. And this is a little, well, not little, but it's a good sized storage shed with the covered porch here. You also have a detached metal shed here for storage. And this one here for your workshop or projects, art studio, would be perfect for that. You know, folks are always looking to get into some kind of craft, and there's power ran to this. Heck, put your kids out here. Let's go walk out here. See what we have. Some planter boxes here. It looks like a birdhouse. We got, looks like a fig tree. Peaches or apricots, something. Stone fruit. And then there's water and power back here. So very versatile. And if you'd like to set up a showing, reach out to myself or your favorite realtor, and we'll get you in here.